How to add blurred background in Clipchamp. Let's create that blurred background effect, perfect for vertical videos or portrait shot. First, drag your video to the timeline twice. One will be background and one will stay in focus. Stack them so one is above the other. Click the bottom video, go to Effects and choose a blur filter. Now it's blurred, but let's make it fill the background. Still on blurred layer, use the corner to zoom it in so it covers the whole screen. Now your background is blurred and fills the space. Click on the top video. This is your clear clip. Resize or move it to the center. This keeps the subject sharp while the background stays soft and blurred. Preview it. It looks good. Then hit export. Boom! Blurred background effect in Clipchamp. It's done. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.